AMPX stock analysis and price predictions for that is Tuesday. So is Amprius technology stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only person in this stock trading space that has actually done 43,000 videos over 5 years and actually documented everything. So I have seen what's printing me money and what's not. AMPX related, I mean, I caught this beautiful bias here when I called it out. And then since then I've been just kind of sort of waiting. I mean, my idea here technically was correct, but I never managed to kind of get involved because there was no double breaks. So all I wanted to see is a pull down and a shift. Sort of happened, you know, whatever. What I'm going to do, just mark up the top here. And this is where we are now. Just like that. If the price doesn't sort of push down and gives me like a shift and a double break, then there's just no way that I'm going to look to buy. I mean, like genuinely speaking. Here's my confirmation. And all I'm doing in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be met. And if they're not, let's go, you know, like whatever. AMPX, I mean, I do have quite a lot of receipts here. And if you want to stay tuned to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.